boys and girls, after you put your first name, last name, and date on the top line, we're going to work on the main idea and details. So after we read the issue, we're going to write the main idea of the article in the top box, right here where it says main idea. What was the Scholastic News article mostly about? We're going to write the main idea of each section in the boxes below. So there were 3 sections in our Scholastic News. One section was about pigs, one section was about woodpeckers, and one section was about otters. In the section about pigs, what was the main idea? In the section about woodpeckers, what was the main idea? And the section about otters, what was the main idea? And then the overall main idea of everything in the article goes here. Now you're going to make a summer safety poster. Okay, so you're going to use what you learned about summer safety to make a poster showcasing your favorite summer safety tip. So first, you're going to put a slogan. So your paper is, whoops, wrong way. Your paper is going to look like this. So it says, write your slogan here, draw a picture of your tip here, and you're going to write your tip here. So I'm going to go over those parts. So a slogan is a short, catchy saying. Write one here to make people want you to read your poster. So you need to say something like, that's short and catchy and gets your safety tip across. Like, be safe, wear a helmet. You're going to write that on the slogan line. Then you're going to draw your picture so people can understand your safety tip. So if your safety tip is about wearing helmets, you need to show people doing an activity like bike riding and wearing a helmet and maybe point out the helmet. Summer safety tip. Why do you think it is important to follow the safety tip? And write it here. My tip is people should wear helmets when doing activities like bike riding or skateboarding to protect your head when you fall. Okay, so your slogan is a catchy saying to get people interested. Then you're going to draw a picture to go with your safety tip, and then you're going to write a sentence of what your safety tip is and why. Okay, can't wait to see what you come up with.